Hi, this is Yogendra. Today I will explain about Dynamic System Development Method. DSDM is a agile project delivery framework initially used to software development method. First released in 1994, DSDM originally touched by to provide some disk-like lines to rapid application development method. In later version, the DSDM agile project development was reduced and to become generic approach to project management and solution delivery rather than that being focused especially on the software development and code creation and could be used for non-IT project. The DSDM Agile Project Framework covers a wide range of activities across whole project lifecycle of the including strong foundation and governance with set of parts of some other agile methods. The DSDM Agile Project Framework is a iterative and incremental approach that embraces principle of agile development, include continuous user or customer involvement. The DSDM fixed cost, quality, and time at the outside of the users. The scope of it must be should could be it will be have adjust the project delivered by to meeting the started time constraint. The DSDM is one of the number of agile methods for developing software non-IT solution. It can form a part of the agile analysis. And next topic, features of the features of the driven development. It is a iterative and incremental software process. It is a lightweight or agile method for developing software. FFD blinds a number of industry recordings into cohesive whole. This practice driven from client valued functionalities and process its main purpose to delivery content of working software rapidly in time manage and occurring with the principle of blinded. FFD was initially released of top DLEC to meet the specific needs of 50% of the developed project at the large Singapore bank in 1977. Mm. The overall concept of the FFD is a model of driven short iteration process that consists of the basic five activities for the occurrences of state repeating and keeping the track of the software development project. Milestones of the mark of a progress made up of each feature and define the section to give high level overview of the activities. In the figure of the in the figure of the activities to display the duration first two sequential activities and overall model shape of the essential. The final three steps are iterated to for each features. The first process is development and overall model. FFD project starts with the high-level walkthrough of the scope of the system and content. Next, detailed domain model and create for such the developing an area of small groups and presenting for peer review one or more of the processed models selected became the model for each domain area. Domain area models are progressive merged into overall model. Second, build feature list. Knowledge gathered during the initially methods is used to identify a list of the features for functionality, decomposing the domaining into sub areas. Subject areas are the contain business activities and step with the each business activities from the basics of category features list. Features list is the respective some small pieces of the client value functionalities expire in the form. Third one, plan by the feature. After the feature list is completed, the next step is to proceed to develop the plan and assign ownership for feature as classes to progress. Third, design by the feature. The design package is a process by the each feature. The chief programmer selects a small group of features that are to develop within the 2 weeks. Gather within the corresponding classes owner. The chief programmer works out work out the detailed sequence of the diagram for each feature and refine the overall model. Next classes and methods progress will return finally design inspection is held. And the last method, build by the feature, building by the feature. After the successful design inspection for the each activities procedure feature in plan, the work ownership develop code for their classes. After unit testing and successful code inspection, the complete features of Chroma in main development. This is the features of the driven development. Then last topic is agile method. Agile method is a combination of the iterative and incremental model within the focus on the process, adaptive and customer satisfaction by the rapid delivered by the working software project. Agile methods break the project into small incremental builds. The builds are provided iterations. Each iteration typically lasts from about 1 to 3 weeks. 1 to 3 weeks. Every iteration involves the class function, teams, working simulation, the various areas like planning, requirement analysis, designing, coding, unit testing, and accepting testing. At the end of the iteration, the working product is displayed to the customer, important of the stockholders. The advantages of the agile method. This is very realistic approach to software development. Functionally can be developed rapid to demonstrate. Resources requirements of the minimized. Delivery early financial work solution. Good development for environment to change the statically. And disadvantages of the agile method is not suitable for handling complex dependencies. More risk for the sustainability, maintainability, and extensibility. These are the to explain about the concept. Thank you for